Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, adjust the brightness in the settings manually. Open Settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness and make sure Adaptive Brightness is turned off. Also, High Brightness mode is off, and you can adjust your brightness on your own. This is very important. Now, download the screen dimming app from the Play Store, specifically the Screen Dimmer OLED Saver. Search for it and tap Install. After install, grant the permissions. The first permission is to modify system settings so it can change brightness. The second is to update the overlay when rotating your screen or enabling a keyboard. The last permission is for notifications to have the brightness bar up there. Here we have the brightness bar and it works just fine. As a last resort, download the latest software to your phone. Go to Settings, go to INFINIX Note 60 Pro, click Check for updates and make sure you're on the latest version. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.